pigeon. Let's do this. Let's walk. Walking on water! What does it actually look like it? Look at the ice. We've got to find something.
Break the ice of the situation. Use the shoe.
I touched the floor with my feet.
What you usually do.
That's that. That's with your bare feety keys. Feety keys? What the fuck are they? But it's ice. We've got to throw something. Oh no! Oh, ducks. There's no zooming on this, is there? Oh, there is. Zoom, 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 zoom. It's a duck. By the way, that's not us whistling. That's the Brazilian cockatiels. Gotta get nature in this. I should be my dad's parrot. Back off! What are you doing? Back off! There's the birdies are eating over there, see if we can get some.
I'm talking with birdies.
I want to look. I want Lucky. Lucky's not in the video.
Got 5 minutes to get there.
To college?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Which is about 15 minutes away.
Onwards! Onwards, people! To that college.
Adam's side. Have to walk.
He's still not awake.
Yes. There.
No! Yeah, die. In your face, go on. Right in your nose. All right, all over my camera. Just see my face like, no! Oh, that's great.